Hi everyone, welcome to Finance Cryptoify. Just remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting videos about cryptocurrency. In previous video we talk about what cryptocurrency is, and today, I am going to explain that how really cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrencies are soaring high in popularity. The currency system is getting adopted around the world with even multiple nations, formulating a plan to recognize them as full-fledged assets, and the masses in some of them even adopting them as mainstream currencies, like Venezuela. But for a beginner, the technical jargon associated with cryptocurrencies might look overwhelming. So we'll answer the crucial question of how do cryptocurrencies work, after gaining basic insights about its underlying technology, the blockchain. Just like many experts have explained, cryptocurrencies and fiat traditional currencies are similar. The major difference is that unlike traditional currencies, where you have to use banks or financial institutions as an intermediary, cryptocurrencies give you total access. However, there is a thin line between the types of cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrencies per se. The term cryptocurrencies is however used by many to refer to most specific crypto coins like BTC, FUN, ETH, BNB, EOS, etc. The major mistake people make is naming all tokens cryptocurrencies. Some tokens are produced by some companies so as to tokenize their products or services. These types of tokens are called altcoins. Now, back to the topic of discussion, how do cryptocurrencies work? They work digitally, i.e. they are kept in a wallet. A wallet is a digital account only you have the access to, and transactions are made using a digital identifier connected to your wallet. Although currencies can be transferred digitally, the fact that they are transferred to a physical asset like an ATM, they are not cryptocurrencies. The means by which a cryptocurrency can be transferred between parties is through a blockchain. Its working process is similar to that of bank transfers, but this time, fiat currencies are not transferred under the frame of a bank, instead tokens are transferred using a wallet. Therefore, cryptocurrency is just real money transferred in the form of tokens to other parties worldwide. Cryptocurrencies also have a good store of value, in that when a crypto coin which has huge potential to increase in value is kept in a wallet, its price increases, unlike fiat currencies, which its value is fixed once kept offline, in a bank. However, the tendency of a crypto asset like Bitcoin to rise is dependent on its utility in the digital market. Therefore, no cryptocurrency has a fixed value. They are just meant to be eventually traded for traditional currencies. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Well, now what is blockchain? Blockchain. A blockchain is a public database composed of records or unique information that are known as blocks. The blocks are linked together by cryptography, with each block having its own unique cryptographic hash, a unique algorithmic code/identity, timestamp, and data. The information held by blocks can be seen by any one part of the blockchain system, making it a public ledger. But these blocks are cryptographically linked to each other, which means any change in one would require a change in all the subsequent blocks, making the blockchain immutable. Now, why is blockchain crucial to us? This is because most cryptocurrencies rely on a blockchain network for their working. While designing a cryptocurrency system, the basic functions like the rate at which cryptocurrency will be produced, number of all-time units, and other important parameters are already defined. Now if you think that you are part of the cryptocurrencies network, and you can just simply make a transaction, then you are just half right. These transactions need to be checked for their validity, like, how does the system know that you're spending money from within your balance? While the basic model of a cryptocurrency is defined, it is the miners that keep it running, and protected. Miners. Blocks in a blockchain contain digital information, and in a cryptocurrency network these blocks contain information of valid transactions. It is the job of a miner who verifies these transactions and mine them in a block which then gets added in the blockchain. The miners have to solve a complex algorithmic puzzle each time to mine a block in the system. These miners are rewarded for their service in the form of new cryptocurrency tokens. Most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, rely on this reward system to introduce new crypto units in the network. The network is designed in such a way that periodically, generally a few years, the reward amount gets reduced, delaying the presence of the entire stockpile in the crypto network. Now, once your transaction is in mine, then the ledger will be updated with the details of your transaction. Also, every information on the blockchain is present forever, and cannot be tampered. So, immutable blocks, secured by miners, who are incentivized to do what they do, in the form of rewards. And that's how a cryptocurrency network works. Conclusion. It is an intersection of technology, finance, and the digital community. You can see why so many people find cryptocurrency attractive. Moreover, it is not as complex as it first seems. Do you still have some questions about cryptocurrency? Don't be shy and comment your questions in the comments section below before going anywhere. If you don't want to miss any help videos about the crypto world, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.